2020 arrived with problems plenty. Every planned New Year's resolution turned into social distancing and enough staycation. Panic, sickness and death make every day lengthy. Staying home force of it on and make fashion. Isolation cause enough relaxation that ignite with passion. While focusing on roots and culture, me learn to love and appreciate the beauty of Mother Nature. Although Mr. Money play hide and seek, we mouth watering because strength away. So no time, we no weak. We stay at home and strengthen the immune system with enough different kind of tea, such as fever grass, ginger, turmeric, and cerasine enough. August morning, we wake up to the aroma of chocolate tea with rich coconut milk. The delicious roast breadfruit and ackee make everybody lick them 10 fingers. To all we belly full and we surrounded by love and laughter, we forget say dirty tough. We bust enough sweater dance to scare, kumina, rock steady and reggae. So you don't have to ask if we physically fit. We are Jamaicans, so we're full of resilience. It no matter how hard we get it, we always find ways to bounce back. 2020, we know you are in with solutions, opportunities and creativity plenty.